blizzard of '09. There's so much snow. It's really dark, but it's a lot of snow out here. It's really hard to walk as well, but maybe I'll take, so you can see it's completely doused in snow. I think it's about I'd say we got like 1.5 feet, if not more. Here it's better in the light, I guess. You can see like the roads. You can't even see the road, but it's really dark. I wish my phone had a light, but I'll show you this car coming up. It's actually a little. You can tell because see where the car ends and the snow starts. This house. I can't really see clearly, but I just walked to 7-Eleven. There you go. Alright, here comes this car. Watch. Look at how much snow is piled up. This car obviously has not moved whatsoever, so you can see how much snow there is on top of this car. It's a lot of snow. It's lots and lots of snow everywhere. There you go. It's about 1 foot, I think. You can see. Yeah, it looks like probably more than 1 foot. So there it is. Maryland Blizzard 2009. House really drenched and covered in snow. Check it out. Alright, YouTube, later.